Good morning, students. Let's discuss the types of partnership today. I hope you are ready with your notes that I sent you previously. Yes, students. Partnership types. Number 1, journal and limited partnership. In the journal partnership, the liability of the partner is unlimited. Means when in case of the loss occur in the business partners has to bear that loss up to the extent of their personal estate, their personal assets. They have to bear that liability up to unlimited extent. That is known as journal partnership. On the other hand, limited partnership has two type of partners. One is journal and another is special. The journal partner has the unlimited liability, while the some special partners in the partnership firm has the limited liability. So these are the two types of partnership contrary to each other, that is your journal partnership and limited partnership. In journal partnership, liabilities are unlimited, but in the limited partnership, two types of partners: journal partners who have the unlimited liability, special partners who have the limited liability. Second point, partners at will and particular partnership. Partnership at will means when a partnership is formed for an indefinite period. They don't know when the partnership will close down, then it is known as partnership at will. Up to the extent of the time whenever they want, they run the business. But when the partnership is done for a particular purpose, for a specific object, and the partnership ends with attainment of that object, that predetermined goal, when it is achieved, the partnership wind up. That is known as particular partnership. So partnership at will means the partnership is formed for the indefinite period, and particular partnership when the partnership is done up to the attainment of the predetermined objective. The third one is the legal and illegal partnership. Although we know very well that it is not compulsory to get the partnership firm registered under the Partnership Act 1932 in order to bring into existence. Yet some of the organization get them registered and do the work according to the provisions of the Partnership Act. Those are known as the legal partnership. Contrary to that, there are some organization, their purpose of establishment is illegal, or whether they are doing any activity against the public policy, whether they are reduce the one or exceed the maximum limits, the number of partners, and if they are doing any business with the enemy country. If they are following any of this, then it is known as the illegal partnership. This is all about the different type of partnership. Most probably you will get the 1 mark question in your board exam, in your examination from this topic. So prepare it so well. Learn each and every type of partnership so well that you are able to give the answer of 1 mark question as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.